What is the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning? The main difference between supervised and unsupervised learning lies in the availability of labeled data and the learning approach used by the algorithms. Here's a breakdown of the key distinctions. 1. Supervised learning algorithms require labeled training data, where each input data point is associated with a corresponding target output or label. This labeled data serves as a guide for the algorithm to learn the relationship between the inputs and desired outputs, while unsupervised learning algorithms work with unlabeled data, where only the input features are available, without corresponding target outputs or labels. The algorithms explore the data's inherent structure or patterns without explicit guidance. 2. Supervised learning algorithm learns from the labeled data to map inputs to correct outputs by identifying patterns and relationships. It aims to generalize this learning to make accurate predictions on unseen data, while unsupervised learning algorithms use various techniques to discover meaningful patterns, relationships, or clusters within the data. They aim to uncover hidden structures or groupings in an unsupervised manner. 3. The primary goal of supervised learning is to develop a model that can accurately predict or classify new, unseen data based on the learned patterns from the labeled training data, while the primary goal of unsupervised learning is to gain insights into the data, identify patterns, and find inherent structures. It can be used for tasks such as data exploration, dimensionality reduction, anomaly detection, and customer segmentation. 4. Common applications of supervised learning include image classification, sentiment analysis, spam detection, and disease diagnosis, while common applications of unsupervised learning include clustering similar documents, customer segmentation based on purchase behavior, recommendation systems, and anomaly detection in cybersecurity. In summary, supervised learning uses labeled data to learn the mapping between inputs and outputs, enabling prediction or classification. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, explores the inherent structure of unlabeled data to uncover patterns or groupings without predefined labels. Both approaches have distinct use cases and contribute to different types of machine learning problems. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe, like, and turn on bell notification for more videos. Thanks for watching.